Do you have an M series Mac and want to install SQL Developer on it? In this video, I'll show you how. First, go to the Oracle website at oracle.com. The easiest way that I've found to get to the SQL Developer download page is to use the search box here and search for SQL Developer. Click on this link here, which is currently at oracle.com/database/SQL Developer. This is the page for SQL Developer. Click the button that says Download SQL Developer. You'll be shown this page. At the time of recording, the latest version is 23.11. Scroll down a little until you find the entry in the table that's called Mac ARM64. The M series CPUs for Apple, such as M1 and M2, are often called ARM64. Click on the Download button on this entry. You may be prompted to sign into an Oracle account. If so, you can sign in using your existing account or create a free account if you want. I wasn't prompted here, so the Save File window appears. Choose a location to save the file and click Save. The file will then start downloading. It's about 400 megabytes, so it may take a couple of minutes. Once the file is downloaded, you'll see this file here. It's a zip file, so double-click on it to extract it. Now, to install it on your Mac, you can just drag this SQL Developer application to your Applications folder. If you have the Applications folder in your favorites, you can drag it there. Or you can open a new Finder window, click on the Go menu and select Applications. Arrange your window so the SQL Developer folder is on one side and Applications is on the other. Then drag SQL Developer to the Applications folder. That's it. SQL Developer is now ready to run. Now open SQL Developer by double-clicking on it in the Applications folder. You'll see the splash screen for a moment and then SQL Developer will load. You can now get started with creating a connection to your database and writing SQL queries. You'll want to watch this video next where I show you how to use SQL Developer, including creating a connection and using many of its features to help you work with your database. Thanks for watching.